So again, I'm here at Creative Soup and just want to share some stuff with you. So I had been trying to figure out how best to use this AI in regards to my storytelling. And there's a couple different tools. One is called Hedra and another one is called 11 Labs. I was able to clone my voice in 11 Labs and even create this image using myself from Hedra. And I was trying to do the letter to my younger self. And let's see how this, you can see it's only an 8-second clip, but it would say this.
What I would tell my younger self to avoid this life. To my 14-year-old self, I'm you.
And that's as far as it goes. So I really have to learn more on how to actually extend these clips. And the good thing about that is I could actually ask chat. You can see that there's all of this blue space as far as the cover. And I had a good man go ahead and do this. Atlan Artwork is the company, that's what he goes by. But then I was trying to figure out, because I use Draft to Digital, how do I actually make that fit? And if I wanted to do a different book size as far as the dimensions. So I was able to play with that. So what I want to do first, I'll go and find the artwork for that. Let me go to Gmail. Okay, something's going on. Alright, it's slow. Trying to do the search to get to where I can get to the artwork. And I want to show you what I was able to do. So there's the art piece right there. That's the cover. So I'm gonna go ahead, download that. And what I'll do is I'll go to Draft to Digital. Let's see. Go somewhere I can get rid of some of these tabs. Alright, so I can go to my books on Draft to Digital, as you can see. Alright, so let's see, April right here. So what I'll be doing is I'll go to the print book, and this is one of the things that people should see also. When dealing with this is the tool that I use to go ahead and go with the details of the book. So I was able to go ahead and put my manuscript in here. So it says take a token to make changes. All right, so apply token. And so one of the things that I would do is I want to upload and change the interior. And it'll be some things that I'll do for the sake of not having this too long. I'll probably just show you a trick on which I had done also. So I'm gonna go here and go to April. Go to the books. So April right here. So go to file. So even when it comes to the description, I'll go to file, download, Word document, go to ChatGPT, and what I'll do here, well, I'm not trying to do the images, is, all right, so I can go here and I will add a file. So I can go to my downloads. I just did April. So from there I can say create a description of this book in 2,500 characters. And see, previously when I did the description of this book, I just wrote how I thought about it. But based now, I can use AI to go ahead and give me a much better description of the book in 2,500 characters, which would be good for anybody that's interested in reading, so they can actually see it. And so it says 30 poems in 30 days, April, National Poetry Writers Month, 30 Poems in 30 Days by J.S. Russell is a powerful and deeply reflective poetry collection born from a creative challenge inside prison walls. Written during National Poetry Writers Month, through prompts provided by PEN America Prison and Justice Writing Program, the book captures 30 days of poetic exploration, imagination, and personal truth. Just out of that, you can see it sounds like a great description. So what I'll do from there is I'll go down here, copy, go back to draft to digital, highlight this because I have from 50 to 4,000 characters in which I can use. And, oh man, I didn't mean to do that. Let's go back. And from then I can just go ahead and delete the portion of it that I don't want. Everything else, if I'm good with that, add the things that I want to have. Also by beginning of the book, about the author, title page, and I can save and continue. But another thing that I wanted to do to show you, not just with the description, go to the new chat and let's just say dealing with that cover. I'll go ahead and the image. And so I want to change the dimensions eventually of this. So I'm going to say change cover so that okay, you see that I can't spell dimension. So, all right, 6 by 9, and replace the eagle with a hawk, because that's what I initially wanted. I wanted a hawk. I'm trying to correct my spelling, but this isn't giving me the options right now anyhow. But let's just see what it does, even with my bad spelling. See what image it can act. So unfortunately, I haven't had the success of changing the actual bird in the photo, but it did make it so that it's 6 by 9 in dimension, which this cover isn't actually going to work because, as you can see, it cuts off, or as you may not be able to see, it cuts off part of the words. So it's more work that I have to do. But that's just an example of the things that AI can assist with. But it'd be a while before, I guess, some of the participants in the program actually get to where they're doing cover design. Or maybe not. Maybe they could use another tool, because chat isn't always the best when it comes to images. And I'll try with some other things. But for now, that's what I'll show you. J.S. Russell, I done wrote my freedom. Teach you how to write yours.